I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Roblox account and confirming your email. Once done, make sure your phone number is added and verified. Install an Authenticator app on your mobile device because this is the only way Roblox issues a rotating code. Open Roblox settings and navigate to Security. Select two-step verification. Follow the prompt to enable an Authenticator app. This begins the pairing process that will let Roblox trust a rotating code instead of just a password. Once you choose the Authenticator option, Roblox displays a QR code and a manual key. Open your Authenticator app and either scan that code or tap to add a new account and type the key. The app will immediately start generating 6-digit codes every 30 seconds. Enter the current code into Roblox when prompted. Make sure to save any backup codes or the manual key Roblox shows if you lose your phone. These let you recover access without account support delays. To finish, confirm the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app and Roblox will activate two-step verification for your account. Test by signing out and signing back in. You will need a fresh code each time. If a code is rejected, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and re-enter the manual key exactly. Time mismatch is the most common cause. If you still cannot access your account, use your saved backup codes, and only then reach out to Roblox support with proof of ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.